This is my fully 3D printed Fractal Vise. Instead of traditional flat jaws, this design uses fractals, repeating patterns that grip even irregular shapes perfectly. Let's start printing. For this design, I wanted it to be fully 3D printable and easy to make. This build consists of only 5 parts. For the moving fractals, this design prints in place without support. When the jaws are sliced, you can see how the fractals are locked in place, while still giving it space to move. After the jaws are printed, the fractals snap loose from each other and can now move freely. I added 2 flat sides on the spindle to make printing easier. This also makes the spindle much stronger due to the print orientation. The loose jaw slides into the base, locking it with a dovetail. The groove on the spindle clicks into the base to restrict axial movement. The fixed jaw clicks into the base, also locking the spindle. You could add glue, but I don't think it's necessary. Files for this project are linked in the description. Let's try drilling a hole, clamping the part with a Fractal Vise. I got inspired to make this project after seeing Matmo's Fractal Vise. Throughout this video, I've been using Matmo's multi-drive, a multi-tool that's a knife, pencil, screwdriver, file, scribe and more. It swaps attachment in seconds, works with any 4mm bit and is made from aerospace aluminum to last. I want to thank you for watching this video and I'll see you guys next time.